Welcome to the Global Equality Collective.
We're here to change things. For too long, it's felt like doing great things in diversity and inclusion was the sole preserve of those who could afford expensive consultancy or a head of D&I.
We didn't think this was right or fair, so we decided to change it.
We've spent 3 years researching and developing a digital framework covering every single aspect of diversity, equality and inclusion, and putting it into a beautiful, easy to use and affordable app that works for all types of organisations, from PLCs to tiny startups, in any sector or industry.
Our ultimate aim was to re-empower organisations using their own data with our groundbreaking framework.
We give organisations everything they need to break their own new ground in diversity, equality and inclusion. And it's working! They love it.
Oh, and the best part? We do exactly the same thing for schools. And it's subsidised by the profit-making business side. So schools only pay a teeny tiny admin fee.
Our solution needed to be low effort, high engagement and high impact.
Also, let's be honest, frameworks are boring.
We don't do boring.
Knowledge is power. We designed the GC platform to turn the situation on its head.
Organisations and schools only see our framework when it contains their data, so it's always hyper-relevant to them. And we can literally show them exactly where they need to improve.
We created a playbook with over 60 modules covering exactly how to close each and every gap they find. Organisational leaders do a self-assessment. It takes less than an hour and it's tick box only. You answer yes or no and in progress to everything.
There's no long form answers, no portfolio of evidence and no uploading stuff.
And it's not judged by a human.
No bias, come right in.
And once a year for 30 minutes, your employees do their bit. It's split over sections with a handy time indicator so they can pick off bits while they're waiting for their next Zoom.
It's fully mobile optimised so they can do it on the bus.
And it's cloud-based so they can do it anytime, anywhere with Wi-Fi.
We've had an incredible year and made some fantastic progress. We've grown a community of over 14,000 with zero marketing spend to date.
We've grown a collective of hundreds of subject matter experts across all aspects of diversity and inclusion.
And we've researched, built, piloted and launched our D&I framework over the last year.
In lockdown, remotely, whilst homeschooling 3 kids each.
Piece of banana bread.
Today, our proven platform is affecting real change.
We have great businesses and school members that are finding gaps and closing them. Finally, we're moving the needle.
Our solution for gender equality and inclusion is working so well, we can't just stop here.
And that's why we need you. We need to expand our work now. Your money will fund the development of our platform to include all the protected characteristics on the Equalities Act 2010, plus socioeconomic status and single parents.
We have a proven business model and a thriving, profitable business.
Wait, some people think that Tech for Good shouldn't be profitable.
Why shouldn't a product that is changing the world also give back to its investors in the process?
Exactly, it should. Ours is. There is a huge market crying out for help with diversity and inclusion. Put your money into our profitable Tech for Good and let's give the market the solution they need.
So that's sex,
race and ethnicity,
orientation,
religion,
disability,
gender identity,
parents, carers and single parents,
and socioeconomic status.
With your help, we can grow our business from reaching the 40,000 school students that we reach today.
And with your support, we can expand our base of over 2,000 employees.
The only way we can move this needle on diversity, equality and inclusion is for us all to pull together.
Will you join us?